Hey guys, how y'all doing? Once again, this is me, Shortman Peter. Okay, just with a little quick tip. Okay, you want to change I got an inline I gotta change, but you know what I mean. Some people will say, oh, they'll have to get a plumber to do it or whatnot, but it's already a compression line, compression water line, so you don't really need a plumber for it. Because normally back in the day, the plumber will come in, he will sweat it, then solder it. You know what I mean? But you don't have to do it no more. You got shag bite and you got compression line. And I got a compression line that I'm just gonna replace it. One, two, three. You could do it, anyone could do it. If you put your mind to it, you could do it. So why sweat it and get a plumber? You know what I mean? Why sweat it? Do it yourself. Check in this video. I'm installing a compression line, water line. Okay? Just like that. Just look at the video. Remember, once again, hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. Okay? And if you like it, share it. But most of all, if you love my content, subscribe. Okay? Love you guys. Take a look at the video. Yeah. like what you see. So remember what I said. If you like it, share it. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the notification bell, okay? But if you enjoy my content, subscribe, okay? So you see, it was that simple, like I said. It's that simple, okay? Put in a compression water line, and that's it. Tighten it up, boom, she's sealed, and she's ready to go. You could do it. Anyone could do it. But if you have doubts within yourself, hey, any pop, unk, or your brother could do it, okay? Anyone. Y'all take care, just make it simple, okay? Keeping it simple, that's all, okay? Do it yourself, DIY, okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I see you guys in my next video.